Welcome friends. Question number 61. Which formula is used to calculate the speed of DC motor? Answer A. N equal to EB by SPI. 62. How many parallel paths in duplex lap winding in the armature of 4-pole DC motor? Answer A. 2. 63. Which rule determines the direction of rotation of armature in DC motor? Answer C. Fleming's left hand rule. 64. What is the name of DC motor? Answer A. DC shunt motor. 65. Which rule determines the direction of current in DC motor? Answer D. Fleming's right hand rule. 66. What is the formula to calculate the current taken by DC shunt armature? Answer C. Ia equal to V minus EB divided by RA. 67. Which rule is applied to identify the direction of flux in DC motor? Answer C. Fleming's left hand rule. 68. Name the type of DC motor. Answer D. Short shunt compound motor. 69. What is the formula to calculate back EMF in a DC motor? Answer C. EB equal to pi ZNP divided by 60A. 70. What is the name of the equipment? Answer D. External growler. 71. What is the name of winding if coil pitch is less than pole pitch? Answer D. Short corded winding. 72. What is the purpose of series resistor connected with holding coil in a DC 4-point starter? Answer A. Limit the current in holding coil. 73. Which speed control method of DC series motor is used for electric train? A. Field diverter method. 74. Why shunt field coil is connected in series with holding coil in a DC 3-point starter? Answer D. To protect the motor in case of open in shunt field. 75. Why the direction of rotation is changed only by changing the armature current direction in a DC compound motor? Answer B. Maintain motor characteristics. 76. Which speed control methods offers below normal speed in DC shunt motor? Answer C. Armature control method. 77. Why starters are required to start DC motors in industries? Answer B. To reduce the armature current. 78. Which insulating material belongs to class B insulation? Answer C. Fiber glass. 79. What is the temperature value of class F insulation? Answer D. 155 degree centigrade. 80. Which type of DC motor is used for constant speed drives? Answer B. DC shunt motor. 81. Which type of DC motor is used in elevators? Answer D. DC cumulative compound motor. 82. Which method of speed control gives below the rated speed in DC series motor? Answer D. Armature diverter method. 83. What is the effect if a 4-point starter resistance is cut off during running? Answer B. Runs at slow speed. 84. Why carbon composition brush requires in the armature circuit to operate the DC motor? D. Reduces the spark in the commutator segment. 85. Why series motor produce high torque and speed initially without load? Answer A. Absence of back EMF. 86. Why the series field is short circuited at the time of starting in a differential compound motor? Answer D. To maintain proper direction of rotation. 87. Which is the most effective method of balancing armature? Answer B. Dynamic balancing. 88. Which material is used for starting resistance of DC starters? Answer A. Eureka. 89. Which DC compound motor is operated at constant speed under varying loads? Answer B. Cumulative long shunt. 90. How no volt coil is connected in a 3-point starter with DC shunt motor? Answer D. Connected in series with shunt field. 91. Which type of armature winding is illustrated? Answer A. Duplex lap winding. 92. Which Growler test for armature is illustrated. Answer A. Open coil test. 93. Which speed control method is applied to obtain both below normal and above normal speed in DC motor? Answer D. Ward-Leonard speed control. 94. Why commutators are sparking heavily? Answer A. Incorrect brush position. 95. What is the action of the induced EMF in a running DC motor? Answer B. Opposes the applied voltage. 96. Which motor has this characteristics curve? Answer C. Cumulative compound motor. 97. What is the purpose of resistor connected with holding coil in 4-point starter? Answer A. Limit current in NVC. 98. Why the DC series motor field winding is wound with thick wire? Answer to carry the load current. 99. Which type of speed control of DC series motor? Answer field parallel method. 100. Which type of DC motor is suitable for shearing machines? Answer C. Cumulative compound motor. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, friends.